The T squad is Kirsty. You know what time it is. We dropping the tea, sipping that tea. Hey, receipts on the beat, we got the inside steep. Spill it, sip it, serve it, come get it with me. It's dropping the tea, dropping the tea.
Hey T Squad, it's Kirsty, and today we're diving straight into the fiery depths of one of the most complex animated universes ever created, Hazbin Hotel. On the surface, it's a wild, colorful, chaotic ride through hell. But underneath, it's a masterclass in world building, moral gray zones, and the ultimate question, can the damned truly be redeemed? This isn't just about demons and angels, it's about power, faith, and defiance. So grab your tea, because we're breaking down the cosmic chessboard that makes Hazbin Hotel one of the boldest stories ever told. Hell isn't chaos, it's order disguised as madness. At the top sits the king of hell himself, Lucifer Morningstar, a fallen angel so powerful he doesn't even need to lift a finger. Then there's Lilith, the queen, and their daughter Charlie Morningstar, the ever-optimistic princess who believes redemption is possible. Now, Charlie's royal blood might open doors, but it sure doesn't earn her respect. Her idea of saving souls makes her a walking scandal in a kingdom built on despair. Below the royals are the 7 deadly sins, living embodiments of greed, lust, wrath, and every other deadly delight, running their own rings of hell like crime lords with divine titles. Then you've got the Ars Goetia, the old money demons like Stolas and his aristocratic crew from Helluva Boss. They've got the status but not the monopoly on power. That real control? It belongs to the overlord sinners who earned their thrones through violence, manipulation, and soul deals. We're talking Vox, Valentino, Velvet, and the enigmatic radio demon, Alastor. These are the shadow rulers of Pentagram City. They control the money, the media, and the mood of hell, and Charlie's redemption plan. It threatens to burn their whole empire down. And then there are the rest, the sinners and the hellborn, the everyday residents just trying to survive eternal damnation. To them, Charlie's Hotel isn't a project, it's a rebellion. Now let's look upward, and trust me, heaven's no picnic either. While it might look peaceful, it's more of a pristine dictatorship run on divine bureaucracy. At the top sits God, unseen but absolute. Below him, the elder angels keep the cosmic laws ironclad. Enter Sarah, a high-ranking seraphim obsessed with order and purity. To her, Charlie's mission isn't noble, it's dangerous. And then there's Emily, a younger seraphim who dares to see the humanity in the damned. She's the first crack in heaven's holy armor. And of course, we can't forget Adam, heaven's golden boy turned sadistic executioner. The man led the annual exterminations like a blood-soaked holiday. Heaven calls it cleansing. Let's be real, it's genocide wrapped in scripture. And beneath them, the blissfully ignorant human souls, the winners, live in paradise, totally unaware that their peace is built on mass slaughter. Heaven's light might shine bright, but it's casting one hell of a shadow, and this right here is where everything collides. Charlie's Hazbin Hotel isn't just a rehab center. It's a bomb planted at the heart of both heaven and hell's hierarchies. For hell's overlords, her dream is bad for business. You can't profit off despair if people start believing in hope. The V's know this, which is why they'll do anything to keep that hotel from succeeding. And as for Alastor? Oh, he's playing his own game. The radio demon doesn't join teams, he orchestrates chaos for sport. But then, everything changes with one name, Sir Pentious. When that ridiculous, snake-obsessed villain sacrificed himself during the extermination, he did the impossible, he ascended. He redeemed himself. And in that single glorious moment, Charlie's fantasy became fact. That one act shook the entire cosmos. Heaven can't pretend redemption is impossible anymore, and hell's rulers can't contain the panic spreading through their ranks. For the first time in eternity, the system cracked, and through that crack, light poured in. The gravity of Hazbin Hotel isn't about devils, angels, or cartoon chaos, it's about what happens when faith meets rebellion. Charlie Morningstar has built her hotel on the fault line of creation itself. One side ruled by corruption, the other by blind righteousness. And in between stands hope, fragile, defiant, and glowing like a neon sign in the dark. With Sir Pentious's redemption now proven, the unthinkable is no longer a theory, it's destiny. The question isn't, can hell change? it's what happens when it does. So what do you think, T-Squad? Is Charlie's dream a revolution or a disaster waiting to happen? Drop your theories in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives, dark lore, and the hottest animated drama on the block. Until next time, keep sipping that tea, even if it's straight from hell.